This is a one-pan, quick and easy way to cook a healthy, delicious meal. I use a variety of fish and veggies for this recipe. The key is for your veggies and fish to cook at the same rate. So, with the salmon, I'm going to cut my beets and potato into matchsticks. Then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, salt, and pepper. Tossing them in this bag allows all the veggies to be coated using a minimum amount of oil. Roasting is a very healthy and delicious way to cook veggies. I have an entire video for roasted veggies you might like to check out. You can leave your fish plain, or you can add herbs and oil, maybe some garlic, and mix that together in a bowl. Place your fish, skin side down, on the foil, and your veggies in a single layer. Top your fish if desired, and bake in a 425-degree preheated oven until your fish and veggies are done. Allow the skin of the fish to stick to the foil, and you're ready to serve a delicious, healthy meal. The steelhead trout is thinner than salmon, so I'm pairing it with broccoli. Again, I've just added oil, salt, and pepper to my veggies. And I'm topping my fish with pesto and parmesan. Cooking time is anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fish and how well done you like it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my playlist for more inspiration for great, healthy, gluten-free cooking.